ray of light falling on tree from all sides. Then some of the reason here, just opposite of that one, you will see here. If not here, then here, here, opposite of that one, shadow will form, because this tree, this part of the tree block the light, then other side the shadow will form. So formation of shadow is what? When any opaque object come in the path of light and block the light, then other side of that object, there will be a same black spot appear. Black region created, that black region produced because of obstacles comes in the path of light, called to be a shadow. So definition of shadow: the phenomenon in which when an opaque object blocks the path of light, then black region formed behind that opaque object called as shadow. So must learn this definition. If anyone asks you define shadow, then you will have to define like this. What are the main characteristics of shadow? How we will come to know that this is shadow? Through their characteristics. Sometime you will see, you are studying in any room. If you will block the light of bulb through your hand, then you will see just behind your hand there will be a dark region produced. That dark region is what? The dark region produced because of the blockage of light, because of your hand kept just in front of the light. Just backside of your hand, you will see a black spot or black region created, produced, called to be a shadow. So it form black region. This is the characteristics. There is no particular shape will develop. Only outline will appear. Only outline of that. It means what? Outline means this is your hand. The black region of your hand. If you will just keep your finger in different way, you will see the shadow of your finger, outline of your finger will be formed. So all these are the main characteristics of shadow formation. Next, just come to the next topic. Some of the devices we are using to form images of different objects through light. By using light, if you will see in our nature, Then you will see our eyes also having lens inside. Then because of that lens we are forming image on the retina. If you want, you prepare pinhole camera to just show the formation of image. If you will keep here one candle, if you will form here candle, you will see. Then for producing the image, forming the image of this burning candle, how it's possible to form the image? By keeping any screen blocking the light of this candle, that help in forming the image. So through a device we are forming here pinhole camera. Just take two cardboard boxes of similar in shape but different in size. One is big and other is smaller than this one. That one easily get fitted in this big one. With the help of these two, here use your tracing paper. Just to form the image. On this second cardboard. Or you may just keep the tracing paper small here, paste that one here, just looking after the size of the candle, burning candle. This is tracing paper. Mention and label this tracing paper. Here this one is tracing paper. This tracing paper will act as like the screen to cast the image on this region. But one thing which is very important you will have to know, start from here, from the bottom of the candle. To the top. You just see. Here you will have to, in first cardboard, you will have to make one hole here. This is your hole. You will have to here make one hole. That the whole light that you are seeing, that one will just passes, the light of the candle will passes through that one. That one help you to form the image of the candle, but that one must be inverted. Here you are keeping the candle erect, but you will just see this one is here inverted and small also. The size of the candle increase or decrease, all this depend upon the distance of the candle or the source of light you are using. This time you will see the candle here, a source of light, producing light, covering the rectilinear path. It was been explained by me. Rectilinear path. Ray of light always travels in a straight path. When you will make hole here, the ray of light when passes through this hole, produce image of that source of light. Here I have taken one candle, so here image of the candle will form, which is inverted. You just see inverted. Burning candle. Here candle is burning, but you will have to draw this one very properly. On the tracing paper, if this one acting as here what? A screen, then this candle you must have to draw like this. Inverted image of the candle formed on this tracing paper. This is the image of that candle. Only naming you can do, because this one is original candle. Here you may write here AB, then that one reversed, here B dash A dash. This is the image which is inverted and smaller than the main one. So pinhole camera, you just write here pinhole camera. We are just using here pinhole camera. We are preparing this and just showing the image of the burning candle. This shows that light always travel in a straight path. When the light produced passes through that hole created by us in that pinhole camera, just form the image on the tracing paper taken as the screen on the device prepared here, shows that light always travels in a straight path. If anyone asks you how we can show that light always travel in a straight path, you may show this thing. You may take one pipe, a straight pipe. If you will see the burning candle, you will just easily see that burning candle without any obstacle. But the same pipe, if it will be curved, then if you want to see the burning candle, you will unable to see, because you have just turned that pipe, means shape changed, curved, so the light will not cover the curved path. If pipe will be straight, that one make you visible that burning candle or any object producing light or source of light. But if you will curve that one, means then it will be not possible to make the light to be travel in curved path. So pinhole camera is a device which proof that light always travel in a straight path. Here if you will draw, teacher may ask you different questions. How? So if I am just using this candle, this one is bigger and the image formed is smaller. Why? The image may be bigger? Yes, it may be bigger. As we will shift the burning candle far away, you will just see there is change in the size of the image. Bring near, there is change in the size of image. In this way you can change the shape and size of the image formed. Okay. Next, if anyone asks you name the shadow, name the object which form the shadow, your answer will be any opaque object. Difference between. If anyone asks you what are the main differences between shadow and image, it was been explained by me previously that shadow is simply the outline of that particular object that we are just keeping or blocking the path of the light. If any opaque object we are keeping in the path of light, blocking the light, then that opaque object outline will be shown backside in the form of dark region. So there is only outline. But in image there is shape and size also been shown. Just see here in image. Candle is like this, only inverted, but here burning part, here the whole candle part. So this is the candle. So shape also been shown. It may be a small or big, it doesn't matter, but shape must be reflected. Next, color also. Color of the shadow is always black, but image may be brown, black or grey. Color of the image is black or grey. This is the main difference. You must have to learn all these points to just write the difference between image and shadow. Some of the important keywords given in NCERT book, you must have to cover. You must have to learn that one. If anyone asks you shadow, transparent object, image, translucent object, then you will have to give answer of all the questions. Thank you, students. I hope that you all will learn all the given important terms in this chapter, light, shadow and reflection. Second thing, that you must read the chapter thoroughly to clear your doubt. And finally, you must complete your given exercise questions. Try to complete all the question answer given in exercise by your own. Thank you once again to you. Okay, students.